Good afternoon, Minerva. Welcome to HEX Star. And congratulations, you have successfully completed 10 weeks of HEX Intensive. It is my pleasure to invite you on HEX Star. And I want to hear from you. Please tell how has been the program experience for you for the last 10 weeks?
Hi, Vineet. Thank you so much for inviting me for this HEX Star interview. So I feel great. In fact, I feel as if I'm a star. Okay, so the very thing is that I first joined the masterclass. So after joining, I actually felt that there was a lot more to learn. So because step by step, when I went in the masterclass itself, so that was the main motto, like I should join. I felt from within, and then of course, like I enrolled for the program. So initially, I thought that okay, it would be a normal program, like because any other program it will be, but this program was completely different. So there were two basic things for which I joined. I thought that I'll have a detox because that's a more profound word that is nowadays used, as you all know, detox and all. And the second thing, of course, you see about the other things, like you say, the small minor things, as I say, there can be headaches, there can be small minor health issues. So taking that into consideration, I thought that I'll join the program. And but when I joined, it was a complete miracle for me. So I didn't know like how I went through this process, to be very honest. Like I was feeling okay, this is happening, okay. With that, okay, you are climbing the mountain and finally you are reaching, and you are absolutely whatever you wanted to achieve. The main purpose when we join a program is we want to achieve something, right? So whatever you want to achieve, you are going beyond that, and that you don't, you have never thought, or you didn't feel also in the program. It is so, like the journey is like so as I say, your boy, like your thing, as Vineet says, always says, Vineet used to always say me that baby steps, like taking the steps, you will feel that okay, I have done this week, I have done this week, okay. By saying that, and finally you reach, and you feel that it's awesome, you have achieved what you want beyond, and that is beyond expectation. So obviously this is one of the most wonderful program, and as it is said that star interview, so I now feel like a star. Yes.
Thank you, thank you. So glad, and in fact, so curious to know. So when you say that you actually reach the mountain and then you realize that it's a completely wonderful experience. So very curious to know what was your main objective to join HEX? What was your main purpose to
Yes,
join
as
this
I
program?
said, when I joined the master class, I had some little bit of because as you were discussing in the master class, if you remember, you said, okay, this is not a normal thing. Like we as human being, or we as in our society, we always assume, okay, headache is normal, or having little bit of gastric is normal, or taking the cold tablet is normal. That is actually not normal, which I learned in the program. This is not normal. What now I am being going through is the actual normal, which I never thought of. So when something unfolds, as in the program the journey unfolds, as I said, this is a 10-week program, right? So 10 week is a long time, right? So if you feel that at the beginning you will feel okay, 10 week and I'll go this, but honestly speaking, you will not feel okay when the week is getting over, and at the end of the week you will feel okay, what did I do the change? Okay, it was just a minor change, it didn't affect me, it didn't affect me, okay. And finally you're reaching, it is like you want to cross the river, and then you think that oh, it would be a tough task, but when you have crossed you don't know. So 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 that is the best thing in the program. And whatever, as you said that why what was my intention? My intention was to change the smaller things which was really bothering me. Like as I said, like you have headaches, right? You have like certain gastric problems. So apart from reversing that, you get to know also what is right nutrition. Now that is important, and here in the program, it is being taught. that what is the right nutrition, what kind of food you want to take, and like what is the balance thing. And the best part is, like I can say, the best part is you are not feeling hungry, and you're full, and you are in the right diet, and you are also losing weight, and you are also reversing whatever things you have the problem. So what more can you expect, right? You are totally not starving yourself, right? You're not starving yourself. You are feeling full, and then you are also achieving your results, and you are not becoming aware that you are achieving your results. Only at the end of the week, you think, "Oh, I have done this. Oh, this is done. Oh, now I'm." See, from the beginning, as I said, like when I was in master class, I was having headache, so I used to take sometimes cold tablet, and it is now from master class till date it is more than 10 weeks. If
Right.
we see. And
Right.
now I never faced that issue. And I never thought of that, okay. And all of a sudden now you feel, okay, I've never taken the medicine. So
The
that's a
tablets are gone
wonder
now.
that wonders will happen, which will happen in your back end. You will not be able to know that is happening. And finally you will get, oh, that is so much wow feeling, wow factor. So
Correct.
that's the best part. Yes.
And you are saying that you do it, but then you actually do not realize because it is not overwhelming, right? That's what you
Exactly, that's
mean.
what I'm saying. It's not overwhelming, and you don't feel that you're doing anything. It's not taxing. It's not burden on you. That's the main thing, right? You are doing any kind of journey, and like you're walking from point A to point B, and after some time you feel, okay, I've worked so much. Let me take a rest. That you do not feel. You do
Right.
not, and by the time you're reaching point B, and you say, oh, from point A, I've already covered to point B. So
Right.
that's the best thing. That's the
So
best
that
thing.
means, yeah. So what you're saying is that most of the students, when they kind of enroll, there's a big motivation and willpower, and there is a deprivation, and you need to do this and wake up at this time. Do you think all these things are
No,
real?
no, no. There is okay. If you talk about willpower, there is no need of willpower, and in the journey, you will itself you become determined within yourself, right? Within yourself, and motivation. As I said, that should not be any kind of external motivation. You feel internally motivated, and the modules are designed in such a way that it gives a lot of clarity. And then we have all the stage by stage setup, like we have your pal call, then we have one-on-one call with you, like I had a lot of one-on-one. And if small doubt comes, and you feel that you get overwhelmed sometimes, that okay, how will we do that, and then you say a solution which is very simple, and
Right.
then you overcome it. So it's amazing, right? It's amazing. And in the program, once you go into the program, like we have a structured one. It is not that after this. So it is a very steady process. Again, a slow process. I'll say a steady and slow process, so that your mind doesn't have a thing that, okay, like okay, I have to do this, then how will I do that thing? Does it has never come for me. It has never ever, right? I was always enthusiastic, like what will next, and what will next. And when used to like in the Saturday, that there are certain things, like every Saturday we have some modifications. So initially I was thinking that, okay, what will be the modification? But the moment you see the modification, is this a modification? Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple, right? So, with a structured program, you actually sail through very easily.
Right.
So, even though the tides are there, you do not feel. Then you
Right.
feel that, okay, you have covered the tide.
Right. So you
That's
are saying
wonderful.
that not everything is shown to you so that it overwhelms you. It is step by step, like the
Exactly. It is
day.
step by step. Yes. And that has to be there. Otherwise, I as an individual, or we as a group will get confused. Like what? So it has to be a structured and step by step. And the program is designed in such a way that every week and every day you have a module. And then you understand that. And the next day you have a module. So that is very structured.
Right. And what was your experience in terms of like going through the modules? How long are the modules, and do you feel you were able to see it on a day-to-day basis, or how much time you had to spend in watching the modules?
So modules were not that lengthy. It is always crispy and to the point.
Okay.
So there is nothing that this will happen and that will happen. It is very crispy and not that lengthy. And of course, in day-to-day life, we are like we can very much watch this video and then we can implement that also. It was very easy. That's what I can say. It is very easy. And moreover, if you see, it is just a matter of 6 to 7 minutes sometimes, or 5 to 4 minutes. So
Right.
you understand. And the PDF is also given in the
Right.
in every module, and where you can see that whatever the module says, like whatever you say in the
Yeah.
module, the same thing is there in the PDF. If you want to read, you can read and just implement it. And yes, and once the things are in the process, like after this, the next day comes, there is another thing which you are talking about.
Right.
Today you are talking about detox, and that goes for 2 3 days, and the
Right.
detox is a step by step process. And
Correct.
then you talk about what are nutrition.
Right.
So it is also a step by step process. So you do not have to be like overwhelmed, and the modules are very easy and to the point, and it's amazing. I feel great actually.
Yeah. I remember actually, Minerva, when we were doing this master class, you were extremely curious about the detox and the internal cleansing part. You were, in fact, I think, yeah, one of the most participative students in the master class also. And very, very curious to learn about the cleansing and the detox. How has been your experience so far in this program?
So yes,
Cleansing
as I
experience.
said, the best thing is like you were there to guide me. So I'm very much thankful for that. Like the same way, like you always said, taking the baby steps. So you always also like the best thing in the program was you were always there to handhold. Right. So in case of a detox, yes, initially I was thinking, okay, detox means I have to go through a very rigorous process, because this word, this word detox, which is, it is very much rampant now, like everyone talks, and no one actually knows how it is. And we just get haywire with this. And that's was the reason I was very curious about that. But going through the process, I first learned that the word itself has a big meaning, and you just can't do always immediate detox. The first thing is you have to follow a good nutrition
Right.
and good diet, and then as the module unfolds, what exactly are good for you in the process, and then finally you enter the detox. And yes, and of course you come out of that. So you also have a very important thing, that is pal call. Your group keeps you motivated, because as I feel that in the journey, if you are left out alone, it becomes difficult sometimes. So as like we have a group which is being made, so everyone will keep motivating each other. That's the best part. You will have a pal of yours, so the pal will be also supporting, you will be also discussing. So
Right.
you, and then coming to the food, you will have a clarity like what food is good for you, and slowly you enter to detox, and you also come out without knowing, and finally you are free. So I'm so happy. I'm really very happy that I actually understood the meaning of detox, how to get into the process, how to continue with the process, and how to come out very easily. So wonderful. I can say it's wonderful for me.
Great, great. Glad to hear that. So, what has been your top results from HEX intensive program?
Whenever we shift to any new location, you'll have a common thing that, okay, I'm having a lot of hair fall, and then everyone will say, oh, it is quite common, like everyone will be having. Now that is also not common. I learned, because I am now not having any hair fall. So at least there is a 99% like reduction in the hair fall. That is the amazing thing, which you can say that in the advertisement it comes, right? In any of the shampoo that if you apply, so none of that. So yes, that's the thing. And then yes, as I said, I did not had any skin problem, but I never thought that the your skin will can be a glowing skin,
Right.
right? So so it goes to a next level. So you feel very happy, and the most important part is like as we say that it should be a 7 hours sleep. Well, everyone says like, but going through this process, I have reduced my sleep time. I do not feel lethargic. Like if, for example, if I sleep for 4 hours earlier, So I
Right.
used to feel a little bit dull that, okay, because and in the mind, I'll feel that, okay, I'm sleep deprived, but
Right.
it has not happened. That is the most a big miracle, you can say. Now my sleep time has been reduced to 5 hours, and without any lethargy, I'm full of energy. So like you have more productive and more time to work, and also when the energy levels are high, you can do much more things which we are doing earlier. So yes, these are the things, and I'm so happy that yes,
So
these
glad
things
to
have
hear. So
changed.
glad to hear. And what all difference it has made in your personal life? All these
So
changes.
so personal life, as I said, well, yes. Now, in fact, actually, if you see, like when the productivity increases, when you have more time to work, then it goes beyond saying that what more you can do when you have never thought of, right? Okay, I can pursue this thing also. So now I can say that if the productivity increases, or if the time of your sleep reduces, then you are likely to work more on your own self,
True.
and that is the important part. And the next thing is when you're very clear on your nutrition, and you do not have that bloating in the stomach which I used to earlier have. And when I used to discuss with my friends, again they say the same thing. Oh, like even she has, and it is normal. So everything which I was hearing that it is normal, in the
Yes.
program I got to know it is actually not normal, and very easily you can change it. So yes, and those things have been reversed now, and I'm quite happy.
So glad to hear this. And one more thing, actually, whenever like people go on a program, there is always this aspect that what will happen in a social gathering and social situation, because you would be changing your food habits. So, how's been your experience on that?
So I think in the program there is a social, like how to handle social gathering. There is a module. So once you see that module, you get to know like how you will handle the social gatherings. And I think that yesterday itself, I had one of the social gatherings. So rather than people convincing you to eat, they'll tell, "Oh, what you did, like how you have changed a lot," and then they'll not convince you. Like I felt in that way. What happened yesterday and also like last week, they'll not force you. Okay, this is normal. They will try to learn from you. And since in the module is also it is also mentioned, you can someone can go and see what is there, and then they can apply it, and that would be quite the results would be quite fruitful. Even say 10 weeks is not a much more duration. It's just a few weeks. So people those who have seen you before 10 weeks, and now they see you, and they all of a sudden find the difference, and day passes so fast, and then they would be curious to know, right, like what you did. So rather than like putting you like, no, 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 everyone has to eat this, they are
Right.
curious. And when you share to
Yes.
them
Yes.
that this is the important nutrition, this is what you have to eat, and they will also have that kind of curiosity more, that okay, this is right, and yes, you are not having your hair fall, and
Right.
they are more curious, right? So you
Right.
feel happy from within.
Right. This program also talks about something called EFT, which is emotional freedom techniques. And there is also an emphasis on the food freedom and habit formation. So, how's been your experience on these things? Does EFT really work? Do you think it is effective? Or people are skeptical sometimes whether this actually works, whether you can actually get rid of your cravings, whether you can actually have food freedom in real life? How do you feel about that? What has been your
So,
experience?
so the main important thing is, I think that EFT comes in the second stage. The first thing in the program is something like habit formation. So it is like morning when you get up, you have to brush your teeth, and there's not that doesn't go something in the back end. Why should I brush? What will happen if I do not brush? No, you just go and do it. It's as simple as that. In the same way, in the program, it is a habit formation that is being built, and you slowly get used to it. and then there is no back-end question that is running in your head. That is one important thing. So the second thing is like EFT. In one module, EFT is being discussed, and once one can see that, and then if one wants to apply that, then obviously the other person will surely get the result, because the habit formation is already there in the program, and then you are going to the EFT, and then you see that okay, whatever I felt that it is difficult, it has been now completely removed. Now you do not feel that okay, this is not difficult, it is completely out from your entire
Right.
mind, your body. So
Right.
you don't know like how you got the result, but you got the result, right? So that's the best
Great.
part.
Great to hear, Minerva. So lastly, for any new student, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you will rate this program and why?
So I should rate it 100. So if it would have been there, because there is no point that anyone can rate this program. So it is beyond. Like I felt it was beyond something which was exceeding. So I do not want to rate and then feel that okay, I'll give the rate to the program, because the rate when you give it is something like you on the scale you give whatever you have achieved. But when you have achieved more than that, then you should think that the rating should also increase in that way, right? So there is no 100. So
Sure.
I'll not give any rate in that way. If it has been 100, then I could have thought, okay, I'll give 100 out of 100. So I'll for that you can understand that 1 to 10 scale is like just a rating scale which we use when we are doing our research project, and also none of that. The program is really amazing, and what I feel the best part is like your mentorship, yes, which I always said you always are there to handhold, and any kind of situation which we are facing, you're always there to help. That's the best thing. So we can reach you anytime, right? So I have done a couple of times, so out of my feeling I can share. So the best thing is when you get a mentor, a good mentor who has a lot of knowledge, and he shares you, and then the program is so structured, and then you also have different systems, like you have a goodie box, right? So it keeps you motivated. Then you have pal call, then you have one-on-one call with you. So and you think that okay, you are happy that you have achieved your results, but what about that which you have not expected and then you are achieving? So what do you call that? I don't have that word. You're super happy? No. You're excited, wonderful. So there is no words, right? So there is no word. So that is absolutely a best thing, which best decision I have taken. And you are my superhero, Vineet. So I can say that you have made so much of changes, and which was very like influential. And going forward, obviously, I'll carry all these things. So the journey so far has been amazing. Why I say so far? Because the certain things which I wanted to achieve, although I have achieved that, and I have achieved more beyond. Now as a human being, human wants unlimited. So you feel that okay, this thing which I never thought and I achieved, now is this possible, right? Now your mind opens up, and now your belief system also is intact. Like you keep believing in yourself, keep believing on the nutrition path which is being guided. It is a complete guidance. So yes, I'm all set.
Thank you for being on this interview, Minerva. You are an HEX star. And I do remember that day when you enrolled on this program, we had this conversation, and we had this thing when you are going to achieve your results. I would have the privilege to interview you for the HEX star, and I think today is that date. I'm super happy and super excited for your progress, for your journey, and I wish you all the best. Thank you once again for being with me on this to inspire many other students and lives.
Thank you, Vinny. Thank you so much, acting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck.